These peanut butter chocolate hearts are no bake and gluten-free. It's a very easy recipe, and my husband loves those ones because he loves peanut butter. It will be an early Valentine's gift for him. So if you want to see this recipe, I will start right away. Welcome back to our simple home. I start the peanut butter chocolate hearts with a peanut butter layer. Therefore, I melt half a cup of coconut oil and put it into my bowl. 1/4 cup of melted honey or liquid honey, and half a cup of peanut butter. I usually use a fresh made local bought peanut butter and also honey. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I combine everything very well. Do you like to make something special for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments. What do you like to create? Here I'm using a knife to slant my mold a little bit, but somehow it didn't work out how I wanted. So I transfer the peanut butter layer over into a measuring cup so I can pour it easily into the mold. Here I pour in every heart, like about half of the heart. Some I do more, some I do less. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me. Thank you, and it helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Once I'm done, I transfer my mold over into the freezer and let it cool for at least 20 minutes. I also have a mold with small hearts, and I fill some of the peanut butter layer in there. You can also use silicone muffin cups. That will work too. Or other molds, any kind you have. I transfer this mold into the freezer as well. For the chocolate layer, I melt half a cup of coconut oil again and 1/4 cup of melted honey or soft honey and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So stir well. So I use my spatula to combine everything very well and make sure the cocoa powder is all mixed under. I have another recipe for chocolate hearts, and they are called Sweet Love Chocolate Hearts Recipe for Valentine's Day. I will link a recipe, the link for that below in the description box. Check it out, those are my favorite. So everything is combined well. Now I transfer the chocolate glaze over to the mold onto the peanut butter layer. I first transfer it into my measuring cup so I can pour it easily into the mold. I pour nice and slow so it's not running all over the place. Oops, this is just what I thought I didn't want to do, but well, we'll fix it. Once I'm done, I transfer the mold back into the freezer for I think half an hour or so. Same thing on the small hearts. Some are pretty full with the peanut butter. That's okay. But the other ones I will just pour some chocolate on top. Even a thin layer is good. So now I had it at least half an hour in the freezer and I can take them out now. They are hardened enough. So let's see how they turned out. Oh, that looks beautiful. I love it. I just place some of them onto my plate for the photo and also to try some. some peanut butter side up, some chocolate side up. And here are some of those small hearts. Look at this one, that is half chocolate, half peanut butter. It's kind of cute. Look at that. So here a little close-up look from the little hearts. They look pretty cool, I think. And they taste very good. My husband approved. And here is a little heart up close. It's also very pretty. And the big heart up close. Here you can see the peanut butter, very nice and even. The chocolate is not that even, but it looks still good. Here, big heart and small heart. And they are very delicious. Try them out. Well, thank you again so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.